Hi, I'm Kristen. I'm a new fourth grade, second career teacher in California. My first year teaching, I used Benchmark Advance, or adopted curriculum. I struggled through it. It felt overly scripted, clunky, and time-consuming. There were so many moving parts that I frequently felt confused and overwhelmed. I am so delighted that I found the Fitting It All In course by Markers and Minions. The self-paced modules have been so easy to access and complete on my own time. Toluca has made herself available throughout the course through a private Facebook group, and she personally has answered every single question that I have had. After taking this course, I now understand how to approach and dissect benchmark materials to find what I want to use. It no longer feels like an overwhelming mass of materials. I'm now confident in my ability to go through the TRS, create weekly and daily lesson plans that both make sense to me and are interesting and accessible for my students. I know what materials I want to use and how I can use them with my small group lessons and independent work. And I have tools and techniques for making the materials more student accessible and more friendly. This course has given me so much confidence and freedom to use Benchmark how I want to in a meaningful way in my own classroom. Perhaps my biggest aha moment is that I have learned in this course how to, quote, put the TRS down. Woo! I'm most excited about some of the fun tricks and techniques that Toluca has been so generous to share. Her instructions have been super easy to follow and easy to replicate for my own classroom. One of the most exciting things I've learned is how to create and use anchor charts to pre-teach vocabulary and concepts and introduce the unit so that my students can understand and make use of the materials better. I'm so grateful to Toluca for creating this course and for making it easy for me to jump right in. I've been amazed at how accessible and responsive she has been to answering my questions, providing additional examples when needed, and offering suggestions and support. I would definitely recommend this course to anyone who's teaching Benchmark. It seriously has changed my approach completely, and it's taken so much anxiety off of my shoulders. I now have an excitement about using these materials that I definitely did not have before. The course is also super useful for anyone who's purchased any of the Markers and Minions benchmark materials. I had purchased some, but was still unsure exactly how to use them and how to put everything together. Now, thanks to Toluca's clear explanations and hand-holding, I understand how to use her framework as a way of accessing and simplifying the benchmark materials. And I now know how to make them my own and how to use them in a way that fits with my personal teacher style and my classroom. Finally, the course is very affordable. I paid for it out of my own pocket. It's given me the most bang for my buck of any of the courses that I've taken. I have filled a notebook full of new ideas, and I've been telling all my teacher friends about it. I hope that others are able to enjoy this course as much as I have. I'm so grateful to Toluca for creating it and for sharing her expertise and experience so graciously and generously. Thank you.